Yo, this is JJ from 845, and as you already know, arriving late to any of your productions is a big no-no, especially to your client and your crew. One app that I use is Waze and the Go Later feature in order to predict what time I should arrive, or rather what time I should leave my place in order to arrive on time. The way to do that is once you enter a location, let's just put here Civic Center, just because that's in downtown and in San Francisco. Kind of a hard place to go. And see right here, there is a part where instead of pressing go, you can go ahead and just select go later. Once you do go later, let's just assume that I'm leaving from home and then I want to arrive not today, but let's just go tomorrow because my shoot starts at 9 o'clock. And then what's going to happen is, just like what the app does, is it predicts the traffic, right? So I'm pretty sure you guys know usual traffic hours. Rush hour would be around 7 to around 8, 9 o'clock. And so let's just assume that I need to be there by 9 o'clock. And so despite being a few miles away, it's going to take about 40 minutes. And so it's telling me to go ahead and leave by 8:20. I usually leave around a buffer between, anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. So I go ahead and let's just assume for 8:45. And that means I have to leave here by around 8 o'clock or from here at least, this is 8:05. So once you do that, you can either go ahead and set that, make a calendar alert. That way you won't forget the time you're supposed to leave by, or you can go ahead and just put save. When I do save from here, tomorrow, the app itself is going to notify me that I should be leaving at that certain time. Whether you need this tip or not, I hope this helps on your next production. Cheers.